Hi friends, click on subscribe button to support me and hit on bell icon so you can get all my latest notifications.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your Abhilash back. Today I have a Amazon gift card. So I have got this from my office where I work. So I'm gonna show you how does a gift card look, the box packaging and everything. So before that, thank you so much for everyone for helping me in reaching 27,000 plus subscribers, and thank you so much for your love and support. So as per your request, I'm trying to make videos in Hindi, English, and Kannada as well as. So please give me a continuous support and help me in uploading more and more videos. And if you're not yet subscribed, if you're a new viewer for my channel on my video, please do subscribe and click on bell icon so you can get all my latest notifications. So coming to the video, so I'm gonna hide my card number and everything because this is for 3000 which I have got it from my company. So this is how it's gonna look. So it has a magnet over here, so I think you'll be able to see it, so which holds the box. It's cute. You feel like a gift card, and this is how it's gonna look. And here comes the Amazon gift card, and this is where the code. Okay, so you can see this is where the code is. You have to scratch this, so you will find the code. And here comes the gift card serial number over here, and here comes the code. You have to just scratch it. This will be your code, and that will be your serial number, the voucher number, and then you have to enter the code and redeem it. So it's very cute. So it feels like a card, like an ATM or a debit card, credit card kind of thing. And this is packed very cute. So when you insert the card, so you will be able to see the card details from the back side from here. So you can see out here, and it's a very cute one. So let me just take this card out, and it has some of your like options how to check the balance and how to redeem it. And beside here it says the value of the gift card. So this is an actual gift card. It means the package and everything, which means a gift card itself. And it's a very nice one, guys. I like the magnet thing over here. So wherein when you keep a gift card and give it to your friend, there is no way the gift card gonna fall down, and it's a corporate gift card which I have got it. So hope you guys like this video. It was a simple video where I just wanted to show you how a gift card looks from Amazon. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and hope this video is helpful, so you can buy your gift card or you can gift a gift card to your friends. So it was just a small video. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Catch you in the next video.